In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture the time you spend on any task using the built-in actual time field, whether you prefer a live timer or a quick manual entry. First, let's talk about what you'll be looking for. Open any task in Asana and find the actual time field in the task details pane. This is where all of your tracked time lives. Keeping your time inside the task keeps everything connected to the work itself, so teammates can see both what was done and how long it took, all in one place. If you like to track time as you work, use the live timer. Open the task you're working on and click the play button in the actual time field. The moment you press play, a mini timer floats in the bottom right corner of your screen. That small timer is your visual cue that the clock is running while you focus. You can move around in Asana, reference other tasks, or check a comment, and the mini timer keeps going. When you return to the task, you'll see the actual time reflect the time you've spent. A simple habit that helps is to glance at the task name before you press play so your time lands in the right place and stays accurate. You'll also see a +1 control next to the actual time field. This is a quick way to bump your recorded time by a preset increment without retyping. It's handy for small adjustments, like when you wrapped up a minute or two after you stopped watching the clock, or when you just need a clean, rounded total. Prefer to log time after you finish? Manual entry is straightforward. Click directly into the actual time field and type the duration you want to record. This approach is perfect if you forgot to start the live timer, if you're consolidating time from a meeting, or if you're entering time at the end of the day. Use clear units and be consistent with whatever format your team prefers, so reports stay tidy and comparable across tasks. A few final tips to keep your tracking clean and useful. Always make sure you're in the correct task before starting the timer or typing a duration. Keep your entries consistent so totals are easy to read, and use the +1 control for quick corrections instead of rewriting the whole value. That's all there is to it. Open a task, track your time live with play, use +1 for small tweaks, or click the field to enter a duration manually. Simple, accurate, and right where your work happens.